Hi, I'm Scott Reel, and on behalf of expertvillage.com, I'd like to talk to you about tree and shrub maintenance. I often get questions about feeding trees. Seems a lot of people want to put in those plant food spikes, and I'm not a big fan. They're a chemical fertilizer, which means they're an ammonia salt, and I don't like to feed salt to plants because they don't like it much. The other thing is it rinses out of the soil really quickly. So I prefer to use other old-fashioned methods to fertilize. Now, where do I want to get the fertilizer? Down to the roots of the tree. Now, in this case, my tree is surrounded by lawn. So I've got to get that food past my lawn, who is a hungry feeder. And the way I'm going to do that is by poking holes into the ground past the roots. Now, I want to put these holes a couple of feet apart. And I want to work them down until I'm almost feeling the subsoil there. And then when I'm done, and by done, I mean I'm working from here all the way out to the edge of the crown of the tree, and even a little bit past. And I'm going to keep working radially all the way out along my tree. When I'm done with that, I'm going to want to come in with a good compost. Now, good compost, it comes in a couple of different ways and forms. A nice fine compost that you can actually work down into those holes is a great way to go about it. I'm lucky. I work somewhere where we make liquid compost. Now, liquid compost is basically good compost that we've rinsed all of the biology off of. And we get this lovely chocolatey brown liquor off the compost that has all the bugs, all the funguses, all the humic acids, and everything that makes good compost worthwhile. And by simply going along, pouring it into the holes, this is going to water right down through those holes down to the root system of my tree. That's going to strengthen the feeder roots, strengthen the soil biology around the tree, and help feed with the nutrients that are on hand here in the soil. Working with Mother Nature instead of against her. And working with Mother Nature is one of the best things that you can do for your trees to keep them healthy.